So, if you want to use Seedance 2.5 completely for free, I mean unlimited, and generate crazy AI videos like the ones you are watching right now, then you are at the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you secret AI tools you will definitely be able to use Seedance 2.5 for free. In the last, we will discuss how to use that unlimited. Let's get into it. First, search Google for VPN Chrome extension. Open the first result and add the extension to Chrome. Once it's installed, pin it to your toolbar, open it, and turn the VPN on. That's it. Now search for Dola AI and open the official website. You'll be prompted to log in and you'll have several options: Google, Facebook, Apple, or even the Dola app. I'm going to use Continue with Google because it's the fastest option. Finish the sign-up process and you'll land on the main dashboard. Once you log in with Google, it'll ask for your birth date. Just enter a birth date to continue. Then you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the interface you'll be working with. Down here is the prompt box, and you've got options for things like images, writing, and video. For this tutorial, we're going straight to create video. Click model. You'll see a few different options. For this example, I'm using Seedance 2.5. Next, choose your duration. I'm going with 10 seconds. Pick your aspect ratio, paste in your prompt, and hit generate. Now, it'll start processing your video. It can take a few minutes, so this is a perfect time to grab a coffee or stare at the loading screen like the rest of us. And there we go. The video is ready. Take a tool. Not bad for a completely free generation. And once you're happy with it, just hit the download button and save it to your device. One thing to keep in mind, on the free plan, you can make one 10-second video per day. But if you log out and log in again, you can generate a new video in free, and by doing this, you can generate as much video as you want. Also, you can open 3 or 4 Chrome profiles and do the same thing to get unlimited free videos. And that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope these will help you generate Seedance 2.5 videos totally for free. And if you want to see the free and unlimited video generation guide, just make a subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next one.